कंट्रोल द ऑप्शंस। सारे ऑप्शंस को अपने काबू में रख लो और उन सारे ऑप्शंस को अपने हित का रखो। लॉ नंबर 31 ऑफ दिस बुक, रॉबर्ट ग्रीन मेंशन दैट द आर्ट ऑफ डिसेप्शन is you the art of deception you got only by controlling the option. Why? But how you get the power by just controlling the options? They are not just the options, dear. They are the key entity of the power. When you control the option, when you put the option of your choice, you ultimately control them. But they don't think you are controlling them. They think they make the decision by their choice. But actually you control them. I will explain you this with one example. This law is most of the time used by our mothers. They said you that what I made bacha matar paneer or aloo paneer, and you said butter paneer. But what you think by saying that you control your mother, that you said make matar paneer, you order your mother that make matar paneer? No, Munna, no. She controls you. She give you only limited choice, too limited choice. What she easily made, or in his mind that he will going to make one of them, but he asked you just to make you happy. And that's what this law tells. You should control the person, also make them feel they are choosing one of them. They don't think that you are controlling them. They also think they are free and also under your work. So I give you one personal example that I used to share a room with my friend. Might be he kill me after listening this. I always give him two choices. That whether you should wash the utensils or you should wash the clothes. He choose one of them, but he think that he choose the work by his choice. But actually he is the puppet. Whatever work I want to take from him, I easily take from him by giving him just two selective options. One of the time that I used to means either he should make food or I should take the material from outside. These type of choices I will give him. The key entity of this law is that you should know that two option, and you should have a belief that the frontier will choose one of them definitely, and don't think any of the aspect other than two options. I hope you understand this.